alright? Remember how we did that last time? We shook it up? Well, guess what I need to volunteer for? I want to dance without this sucker, so I'm going to let you shake it up, alright? Can you do that for me? Okay, Meredith. Hold that cap on there with fingers just like mine. Now, don't let that cap come off. When that music comes on, I want you to shake it up, alright? Are you ready? Here we go, Meredith. Auto dance music! Shake, shake, shake. Give it up for Meredith!
I got it.
What is this? You dance like my uncle.
It's killing me.
I'm glad you're bringing it back. Okay, I'm going to shake this up a little bit more for you. I'm going to stick this in there. We're going to strap this up again.
I'm scared.
Right?
I know.
So here we go.
There'll be a loud boom.
Strap it up just like so. But Meredith, since the last time we did this, I got a little bit scared. I'm going to let you do it this time. Sound good?
Oh.
Cool. All right, here. Pick this fire stick. Stand straight, girl.
Oh gosh.
All right, now I'm going to light on fire together. We're going to put it in that bottle. You ready?
She's scared.
Okay. You.
Oh gosh. Oh gosh.
You ready? You missed it. You missed it.